Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Watch out, top mechanic scams and how to avoid them. When it comes to car maintenance, finding a trustworthy mechanic is crucial. You rely on their expertise to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. However, in the world of auto repair, there are some scams that unsuspecting customers may fall victim to. Being aware of these schemes can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and headaches down the road. One common mechanic scam to watch out for is unnecessary repairs or services. Some dishonest mechanics may try to upsell you on services your car doesn't need. Whether it's replacing parts that are still in good condition or recommending maintenance tasks that aren't required yet, these practices can quickly add up and leave you footing a hefty bill for work that wasn't necessary. Another deceptive tactic to be wary of is the use of low-quality parts. To cut costs and maximize profits, some unscrupulous mechanics may use subpar or counterfeit parts when repairing your vehicle. This can compromise the safety and performance of your car, putting you and your passengers at risk. By staying informed and educated about these mechanic scams, you can protect yourself from falling prey to deceptive practices. In the upcoming sections, we will delve deeper into these common scams and provide you with valuable insights on how to safeguard yourself and your wallet from unscrupulous mechanics. Common mechanic scams. When it comes to auto repairs, it's essential to be aware of common mechanic scams that could potentially cost you more money than necessary. Let's uncover some prevalent tactics that dishonest mechanics might use to take advantage of unsuspecting customers. Unnecessary repairs. One of the most common mechanic scams is suggesting unnecessary repairs. Some dishonest mechanics may exaggerate issues or even create non-existent problems to inflate the bill. They might recommend replacing perfectly functional parts or performing services that your vehicle doesn't need. Always ask for explanations and get a second opinion if you're unsure about the proposed repairs. Overcharging for parts. Another tactic used by deceitful mechanics is overcharging for parts. They may claim to use premium or brand name parts while installing cheaper alternatives. To avoid this scam, request to see the parts being replaced and do some research on typical prices for the components needed for your repair. Additionally, consider getting quotes from multiple mechanics to compare costs. False warning lights. Be cautious of mechanics who insist on immediate action for every warning light that appears on your dashboard. Some dishonest professionals may exaggerate the severity of the issue or misdiagnose the problem to make unnecessary repairs. Before approving any work, ask for details about why the warning light is on and what specific repairs are required. It's essential to stay informed to avoid falling victim to this common scam in the automotive industry. By staying informed and vigilant, you can protect yourself from falling prey to these common mechanic scams. Remember to ask questions, do your research, and seek a second opinion if something seems off. Trustworthy mechanics prioritize transparency and will always have your best interests at heart. Warning signs of a potential scam. Scammers often rely on deception to lure unsuspecting victims. It's crucial to be aware of common warning signs that can help you identify a potential scam before it's too late. Lack of transparency. One red flag to watch out for is a lack of transparency. If a mechanic seems hesitant to provide clear explanations about the services they recommend or the costs involved, it could be a sign that they are not being honest. Transparency is key in any legitimate transaction, especially when it comes to car repairs. Pressure tactics. Be cautious of mechanics who use pressure tactics to rush you into making a decision. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to prevent you from seeking a second opinion or researching the issue further. Remember, it's okay to take your time when making decisions about car repairs. Inconsistent explanations. Another warning sign is receiving inconsistent explanations about the problem with your vehicle. If different mechanics provide conflicting diagnoses or solutions, it's essential to proceed with caution. Inconsistencies in explanations could indicate an attempt to confuse or mislead you for their gain. Remaining vigilant and recognizing these warning signs can help avoid falling victim to mechanic scams. Prioritize transparency, take your time making decisions, and be wary of inconsistent information to protect yourself from potential scams. As we conclude part 1 of our series, we've uncovered some of the top mechanic scams and learned valuable strategies for avoiding them. By staying vigilant and informed, we can protect ourselves from falling victim to deceptive practices in the automotive repair industry. In part 2, we'll delve even deeper into this topic, equipping ourselves with additional tips and insights to ensure that we receive honest and reliable service for our vehicles. Thank you for joining us on this journey to becoming savvy consumers in the world of automotive repair. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.